Welcome to LITCO Machinery Pvt Limited, one of the leading manufacturers of sterile or injectable manufacturing plants with contactless magnetic mixer. Sterile manufacturing plants are used to manufacture injectable or sterile products mainly for the pharmaceutical industry, such as IV fluid, large or small volume parenteral drug. LITCO specializes in designing customized processing solutions with complete aseptic design so as to maintain the current good manufacturing practices. Contactless magnetic mixers and high-shear magnetic emulsifiers are specially equipped, ensuring minimal contact and the best mixing and shearing results for maintaining sterility. In line with the current automation technology, LITCO offers CFR 21 Part 11 or SCADA automation systems to its clients for maintaining complete automatic control and storage of processing data. All pipes, fittings and valves are fully electro-polished stainless steel. An efficient filtration and transfer system comprising of such as high-performance centrifugal pumps, diaphragm valves, pneumatic actuated valves, sterile safety valves and diaphragm-type special sensors ensure absolute aseptic operations. LITCO offers turnkey solutions for sterile manufacturing plants, for water feed injection and purified water production with multi-column distillation plants, pure steam generator or superheated water sterilizer. So, please join us and contact us for all kinds of customized sterile solutions and machinery for your processing plants. Thank you for watching.